Okay, and to demonstrate it, I will just select that vessel, convert it to a sketch object. So now it's an object I can move around, and I will open up a new animation. And in the basic mode, you only see that button and a time control. And now we are going to animate that vessel. So I press on the magic keyframe button, and automatically an animation was created and a keyframe was set. And now I move my vessel, let's say up to here. Let's zoom a little bit out. And go to 5 seconds. So now I place a second keyframe. I go up to here, move my vessel, I reference it up to here, create the next keyframe. Then I'm going to move it down to here, create a keyframe. Now I switch to 2 seconds and only move it slightly to the side. And with the new sketching, you will have the possibility to not only rotate a vessel around the Z-axis, but only, for example, about the Y-axis. So we will rotate 90 degrees, create the next keyframe, and then with 10 seconds, with a little longer time, I just move it out of the plant up to here. Create the next keyframe, and that's it. And if I now with the mouse slide along, you see the vessel is going up to here. If you want to have more advanced animation features, you can open this up, and that now gives you a lot of more possibilities. For example, now I'm going to combine the short move sidewards with the rotation. So I make the move sidewards a little bit longer, and I start the rotation a little bit earlier. And now it moves sidewards while it rotates. If you want to go any further, now you can drill into a curve editor, and not only to linear movements, but also, for example, choose a spline movement where you can make any more complicated curves for the movement. But that's our really advanced features. We think for most of you, the keyframe animation is good enough. Okay, so let me switch that back to the line editor. On top of this, you can not only modify sketch objects, but if you're going to use our catalog objects that can be parametric, so let me go to the catalog and select that nice crane here. I move it out a little bit. You can now also go to animate that whole crane. So again, I set keyframe here. Let me move the arm up, set another keyframe. Then I'm going to rotate, set another keyframe, and then we can go to a player and then simply animate, hopefully you can see it, crane on a very easy way.